Looking for the best phone charm strap but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best phone charm strap based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The Evnlo phone charm strap features a sleek, modern design with a lobster clasp that's perfect for attaching charms and keychains. Made from high-quality materials, this lanyard strap is strong and durable, with a smooth, lightweight construction that's comfortable to wear. Its stylish design and easy attachment system make it a great accessory for anyone who wants to add a personal touch to their phone. With its excellent quality and versatile design, this phone charm strap is a must-have for anyone who wants to customize their phone accessories. Number 4. This Frienda phone charm strap kit offers an incredible amount of value, with 200 pieces included. The lanyard split ring straps and DIY decorations make it easy to create unique phone accessories and gifts, and the metal and nylon construction is sturdy and durable. Perfect for crafty individuals and phone enthusiasts, this kit is a great way to express your personality and add a personal touch to your phone. With its versatile design and excellent quality, this kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to customize their phone accessories. Number 3. The MOUTAKEY phone wrist strap boasts a sleek, high-quality design that's perfect for fashionistas and busy individuals on the go. Made from sturdy metal, this iPhone chain strap is strong and durable, with a smooth, lightweight construction that's comfortable to wear. Its detachable design and multiple tether tabs make it easy to customize and secure your phone, giving you peace of mind in crowded areas or when traveling. A great accessory for anyone who wants a stylish and functional phone wrist strap. Number 2. With 100 pieces included, the BlingKingdom cell phone split ring strap offers excellent value for DIY enthusiasts and crafty individuals. The detachable ring straps and DIY decorations make it easy to customize your phone accessories and create unique gifts. The metal construction is sturdy and durable, ensuring that your creations will last. Whether you're a phone enthusiast or a crafty person, this kit is a great way to express your personality and add a personal touch to your phone. Number 1. This casemate beaded phone charm offers a stunning, crystal-like design that adds a touch of elegance and sparkle to your phone. Perfect for fashion-conscious individuals, it's a great accessory for anyone looking to make their phone stand out. I love that it's not just a functional wrist strap, but also a stylish piece of jewelry. With its secure grip and anti-theft features, this iPhone charm strap is a must-have for anyone who wants to stay connected while looking great. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.